Hi, I am Viraj Khuthia. Welcome to my website, which contains information about me, my travel, and my contact details. Let me run you through each aspect of my website and its technicalities. First and foremost, it is built using Bootstrap. It uses the grid system to make the website suitable for viewing on all devices. As you can see, the elements including images and text align themselves according to the screen size. In the smaller screens, as you can see here, the tabs group themselves to form a drop-down menu, and there is also a symbol for you to go to the top. Moving on, the thing you see at the top is a Bootstrap component called the nav bar or the navigation bar. It allows to navigate to different parts of the website at the click of a button, as you can see here. On hovering over the tabs, they change color because of the use of jQuery and Bootstrap CSS. Also, the home icon you see here is a Bootstrap component called Gilficon. Now, as we scroll down, we see that the appropriate tab in the navigation bar is highlighted. This is done through the use of jQuery and CSS. The text we see in the About Me section has been displayed in a panel for better structure. As we move further down to the travel diaries, we see the different albums of the places where I've traveled to. As we hover on one of them, or rather all of them, you can see a plus sign which appears on top of the image to view more pictures in that particular album. Again, this has been achieved through jQuery effects. Upon clicking, a model view pops up and you can see more images displayed in a carousel. We can navigate left or right, or also go to a particular image by clicking on the circle. This model view and carousel has been implemented for each of the albums, as you can see here. And upon clicking close or this cancel button, you go back to the home page. Next is the contact form, where I've used a lot of form validation and jQuery effects. If someone just tries to send the form without filling in any details, the user would be prompted to fill in the details first. So I fill in my name, then I try to send again. I'll be asked to fill out this field, which is the email address. For the email, it checks for the correct format. Let's say I just type in DFG. It'll tell me it is not a valid email address. As long as a particular format for the email address is not met, this message will stay. If I just type this and try to send, it'll tell me that there should be a part following @ the. Now let me enter a correct email. Now we see the message has disappeared and I type a message. So till the time all the validation conditions are met, the form cannot be sent. But once all of them are true and I try to send the form, the user receives a feedback which sounds very personalized and also tells the user that the message has been received. Also, the icon which you see over here along with the send button is again a Gilficon. Lastly, as we move to the bottom, we see a lot of icons here which link the users to my social media profiles, for example Facebook or Google Plus or Twitter, and in similar ways LinkedIn and YouTube. Having said this is all I have for my website. Thank you very much.